Well, anyways, this is our Verstile 900 project. We decided to take the V8 903 out, put a 855 motor in it, Series 1 small cam with some upgrades on it, after cooler. 335 Cummins is what it works out to be now. It's fairly simple install. Frame is the same as an 800, 850 with moving of the mounts and a couple other things, moving the radiator, and a couple used parts. You end up with the junky motor gone and the better inline 6 motor on. A few other upgrades done on the motor. We took out the lube refiner, and this has the filter housing of a big cam 3 or 4 oil cooler, oil filter assembly on it. Newer turbo, and upgraded after cooler off of a newer motor installed on. We did have to put on the hydraulic pumps and front accessory cover from a Verstile in this setup. Other than that, some trivial things. We moved the air cleaner and took the batteries off the back of the cab, moved the batteries up to the front where you can actually work on this stuff, and not have battery acid dropping on the hinge point of the tractor in the back. So it's kind of a fun retrofit, and this is where the batteries were. Not a lot of money stuck in it, just time really. Other than that, really just a lot of used parts. We got to do some upgrading on the tires. Got some free chrome pipes from some other people and stuff. Kind of, I don't know, make it look a little bit cool and unique with the exhaust and the air cleaner. And as far as some of the things that were changed, you can see the burn marks here where the motor mounts had to be moved. Same in there. We used the newer double mounts and some motor mounts that actually, these red ones down here, those are actually out of I think a Peterbilt. Same with on the front. You can see this beam here was added and welded in for the front mounts. Oil hydraulic filter is not probably the best thing in the world. It's hanging down a little bit. But other than that, we are able to reuse the mounts in the back, relocating them, adding the extra pad for the dual mounts on both sides. And then a few hydraulic hoses. And probably about, I don't know, 200 hours of labor. And we're good to go. All we got left to do is replace some rims. This rim here obviously is shot and spun out, so you gotta run down the road and talk to a neighbor that's got a Verstile sitting in the weeds. So other than that, it's kind of a cool project. Extra tractor, get some stuff done with it. And I don't know, as long as you can scavenge up some used parts, you can turn a useless 900 into something good.